Creating an account on Crypto.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to get started with your cryptocurrency journey. Step 1. Download the app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Crypto.com. Download and install the app on your mobile device. Step 2. Open the app and sign up. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Crypto.com. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Step 4. Complete KYC verification. Once your email is verified, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer KYC process. This involves providing personal information and uploading identification documents for verification. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication. For added security, enable two-factor authentication 2FA in your account settings. This will require a second form of verification whenever you log in or make transactions. Now you are ready to explore the features of Crypto.com and start trading cryptocurrencies. Enjoy your experience.